All right, so this little project's on the back burner because I need to invest money into this KLR. That's going to be the, this is the daily. It's a daily girl, and I beat the heck out of her, so I'm going to make sure she's prim and proper and just charging the battery. You got to do an oil change, you got to clean the filter, all that kind of fun stuff. But I got a serious problem with the exhaust system here. So I've got a big, let's see, zoom in. So there was a 1/4 inch gap in here. So what I got to do is I'm going to end up welding this. So I'm going to clean it up. So I just moved it. So I had to take off some parts. So I got rid of this stuff here from the stock stuff. Back that off for here. And then I moved this thing about, I'll say 1/8 inch. But as you see, there's a lot of carbon there, so it's been cracked. And why did it crack? Not from manufacturer at all. It has to do with me modifying the travel bags. So it put pressure on this point here with the FMF power core, which put pressure on there, and everything was like vibrating. And these things vibrate like a sewing machine. These are not running like a sewing machine. So I got a serious crack right there. I don't have a TIG welder, but I have a MIG, so I'm going to do it. And I don't care if it looks ugly or what. I just need to seal this up and it'll be functional again. So I could give a rat's butt if it looks ugly. It's going to be covered up anyway, but I need to fix this because I've done so many other things. I have a friend that's a welder. He said he could TIG weld it, but he's busy. Doesn't work well. I'm going to make something ugly just so it just seals all this up around. So I'm going to tack, and then pull it out and then work it on the bench, and then remind myself, remove battery before welding. So when I tack weld it. So that's what I'm doing next. All right, simple task for some people here. So new sprocket for the rear, new sprocket for the front, new chain that I just cut, measured it up, subtracted one link just for testing. Still need to torque that guy up, but I'm going to put the new chain on here right now. I did, now this is the KLR. I didn't have a TIG welder, but I have a MIG, so I got something pretty ugly, but it's functional. So there's a crack that was all the way around. Not pretty, but it's going to be functional. So then I'll do an oil change and change out the spark plug, take the tank off. So yeah, things are coming along. All right, oil changed. Got the exhaust welded, new back tire. Back brakes seems to be okay. Probably need to do that next year. Front's good. New chain of sprockets. That's all good. Put oil in there. Let's fire it up. WD-40 there when I put the exhaust back on, so I pulled that off, so put it back on with some WD-40. It's ugly, not happy with that, but it'll work. Now if I'm going to be worried about that, then I'm going to worry about this tank scratches, so it's good. I'm happy. I'll loop the chain, and I think it's good. We'll let that WD-40 burn off. And I'll do the air box and then spark plug.